long time ago, in a small village, there lived an old man. This old man was always deeply worried about his son. The reason was simple. His son never wanted to work. Instead, he spent his days roaming around the village, playing and wasting time. One day, the old man decided to teach his son a lesson. He called his son to him and said, "Go inside the house. Inside the cupboard, there's a watch. Bring it to me." The boy went inside, took the watch out of the cupboard, and brought it to his father. The old man then said, "Now, take this watch to the market. Show it to as many people as you can and ask them how much they think it's worth." The boy set off to the market. He showed the watch to many people. Some said it was worth 500 taka. Some said 1,000 taka, and others said 800 taka. Everyone gave different prices, while some gave the same. The boy returned home and told his father, "I asked many people in the market, and everyone gave their own price. Some said 500, some 1,000, some 800. The old man replied, "All right, now put the watch back in the cupboard. You may go and do your work." The next day, the old man again called his son. He asked him to bring the watch from the cupboard once more. The boy went inside, fetched the watch, and gave it to his father. The old man said, "Today, go to the market again. But this time, ask people about the value of the time shown inside this watch." The boy was confused. He didn't understand what his father meant, but he obeyed. He went to the market and began showing the watch to people, asking, "How much is the time in this watch worth?" Hearing this strange question, many thought he must have lost his mind. They remembered that yesterday he was asking about the watch's value, and today about the value of time. Some laughed at him, some mocked him, and some even drove him away. Feeling disheartened, the boy kept wondering what was happening to him. Finally, he went to an old man who was busy with his work. Hearing the boy's question, the old man immediately understood what he was asking. He put his work aside and said, "Son, the value of the time you're asking about, it cannot be measured in money. Even if you had millions, you could never buy back a single second of your life. That's why you must use your time wisely. Time is both a good and a bad side. The bad side is it always passes. The good side is you have the power to decide how you will use it. Every person, whether rich or poor, gets the same 24 hours in a day. What matters is what you choose to create with that time. So you must account for every moment. Don't waste it." Hearing this, the boy's eyes filled with tears. He thought about all the time he had wasted and felt deep regret. From that moment, a big change came into his life.